Okay guys, in this short video I'll show you how we can create a text on the circular path or text along the circular path. So this is a short way of doing it without using a plugin. So let's get into it. Firstly, we go to the shape tools and pick an ellipse tool. Holding down your shift, you drag out to a perfect circle. You go to the text, you get your once this tag shows, you know it's active, so you can type in whatever you want to. Let's say the food. We just something we do just for random sakes. Best shower. So you can move it in any direction you choose to. So I'm holding shift while dragging in and out, so that's why it's moving in that direction. So that's it. Thank you and bye.